Hey there, welcome back to episode number 3 of Secrets to Speak More Naturally series. I'm Azzy from IR Language. In this episode, we're going to talk about 3 more tips to speak naturally. Tip number 5, change T sound. Tip number 6, geminates. And tip number 7, Vic forms. Are you ready? Well, then let's jump right in. Let's take a look at the meaning of connected speech one more time. As we already talked in previous episodes, connected speech is spoken language in a continuous sequence as in normal conversation. It is also called connected discourse. There is often a significant difference between the way words are pronounced in isolation and the way they are pronounced in the context of connected speech. Tip number 5, change T sound. One of the technique in connected speech is when the sound of T in one word change to D or N, which is heard more natural in conversation. For example, interview, internet, internet, center, center, wanted, wanted, butter, butter, better, better, letter, letter, city, city, bitter, bitter, bottle, bottle, computer, computer, doubter, doubter, little, little, 80, 80, 30, 30, settle, settle, 40, 40, bottle of water, bottle of water. Tip number 6, geminates. Basically, when a word ends with one letter and second word begins with the same letter, and you will connect them together. Be careful here because it is not about speed, it's about connecting sounds smoothly. For example, good day, good day, social life, social life, pet turtle, pet turtle, black coffee, black coffee, talked to, talk to. So they would change to one word. Tip number 7, Vic forms. Vic forms are syllable sounds that become unstressed in connected speech and are often pronounced as a schwa. Schwa is short vowel sounds or lazy sounds. For example, fish and chips. Fish and chips. Fish and chips. So and is a Vic form here. Fish and chips. Have you finished work? Yes, I have. First half is a weak form and the second half has a strong and vivid form. The emphasis is on work in the first sentence. Have you finished work? Yes, I have. Or, for example, she can speak Spanish better than I can. Again, the first can is the weak form and the second can is the strong one. She can speak Spanish better than I can. In the sentence below, the first do is a weak form and the second one is stressed. What do you want to do this evening? What do you want to do this evening? If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.